Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This video is just a quick recap, a snapshot of what happened this past week in crypto. So let's take a look. If we look at the global crypto market, cap currently stands at 1.18 trillion. That's almost a 1/4% increase. If we look at Bitcoin dominance, it's at 49.9%, ETH at 19%, and the fear and greed index currently stands at 56, neutral. Last week we were in green, so we ticked down a bit. Next up, we have a billion-dollar asset manager names Coinbase as a surveillance sharing partner in its updated spot Bitcoin ETF filing. And that asset manager is Valkyrie. We know Coinbase is also listed as the surveillance sharing partner for BlackRock. So Coinbase is doing big things these days, and it definitely should help their stock price. Next up, we have a breach, multi-chain bridge breach. And as a result, Circle has frozen 63 million in USDC. Circle goes on to say that they blacklisted 3 wallet addresses that received a significant outflow of funds from the cross-chain bridge platform multi-chain and its potential security breach. So the incident saw 126 million worth of crypto assets mysteriously transferred from multi-chain's bridge deployments on Phantom, Moonriver, and Dogechain to various third-party wallets. As a result of this news, Phantom's price has ticked down a little bit, and I do like Phantom. Next up, we have a potential presidential candidate nominee, Robert F. Kennedy Jr. He's a pro-crypto guy, and on the campaign trail, he's been talking about it, but it actually looks like he's backing up what he's talking about because he currently owns $250,000 worth of Bitcoin. So that's something that I like to see. Next up, we have JP Morgan. We talked about the Bitcoin spot ETFs. They're saying, or their analysts are saying, that it won't make much of a difference. Why do they say this? Bitcoin, they're haters anyway, but they say the spot Bitcoin ETFs have existed for some time outside the US, in Canada and Europe, but have failed to attract large investor interest. Bitcoin funds overall, including futures-based and physically backed funds, have attracted little investor interest since Q2 of 2021. Also failing to benefit from investor outflows from gold ETFs over the past year. We know JP Morgan are haters, and they say one thing, but then behind the back, they're starting their own blockchain and purchasing crypto and Bitcoin. So we'll see. Next up, we have Shiba Inu, the L2 for Shiba Inu. They say it's going to be released in August, so that is good news. On the bad news front, Justin Bieber, he's not feeling so hot these days. He purchased a Bored Ape at the peak of the bull run a couple of years ago for 1.3 million and is currently worth $59,000. I hope my boy holds on to it because definitely there will be some money there. Next up, I want to end it off with BlackRock. These guys were haters of Bitcoin and crypto in the beginning, but now listen to the CEO of BlackRock and his thoughts on it.
And also, I do believe the role of crypto is it's digitizing gold in many ways. Instead of investing in gold as a hedge against inflation, a hedge against the onerous problems of any one country or the devaluation of your currency, whatever country you're in. Let's be clear, Bitcoin is an international asset. It's not based on any one currency. And so it can represent an asset that people can play as an alternative. I would call the foundation of BlackRock is about hope. You invest for retirement because you believe tomorrow is better than today.
All right, guys, that's all I got. So I want to say keep hodling, keep hodling, and we're going to be future millionaires in the future. This is what it's all about. Right now, we're early in the game. So until next time, see you later. Bye.